Okay guys, I'm back. I don't know if you can see this, but here was, see if I can light up the screen a little more. There we go, that's better. So I had to go and find all my tools for this job. So here we have this steering wheel. You definitely need to get a steering wheel puller for this. You can rent a tool if you don't have one. It's also a 3/4 inch nut. I have it on the impact driver. Just make sure the wheel's straight. Take that out. Come out when I pull the steering wheel out. And then you're gonna need your steering wheel puller. Put this to the side. It's fine, whatever. It's fine. Still gotta go more. Just gotta back that out. Screw that in. Screw this side in as well. Back it up a little more. We'll strip the threads. Alright, so we'll scare that 13. Ratchet. Drive it in a little bit more. Okay. Go, come right out. Out. Okay. That was easy. Now, done. All right, let's take this out. What is this? 13. Guess you don't need it to put it back on, so. Okay, let's get this to the side. Steering wheel. So you got your plug there, you unplug it, pull the steering wheel out. So here, clutch spring. So we got to take this off as well. Let's take these 2 Phillips screws out. It's on the floor. It's on the floor. Now we got to take the key out. This mass. This little screw there. Oh, okay. I'm not taking that one all the way out, so let's just do this. Go ahead and unplug these. There's a clip here, and then you got an airbag plug here also. Where's my snap-on pick? So you have a spring clip here at the bottom. You basically push it that way, backwards, and the clip comes out. There you go, take it out. It's the old one, and we got the new one right here. Same thing. All right. And I see that one went in like that, and then right in. All right. So it goes one way, right? There we go. That's tight. Clip clipped in. All right. It looked like it was easy. So it has clips in the back, right here and right here. And then they have these two tabs, they're nipples, that go right into the housing of hair, into the wiper and signal switch. And basically just clips in, pulls right out easy. All right, good. Let's throw this to the side because we don't need it. Let's get this back in. Oh, we gotta get these connectors back on. So basically just pop them back in. Perfect. Pop this one back in as well. Put this back in here. Again. That's good, still good. All right, still lined up. Let's get this one on. This goes like that. Grab the steering wheel. Paul got stuck inside. All right, get this back in there. Clip back in. Make sure everything's plugged up good. Okay. Everything looks good. Now let's go ahead and put the bolt back. Hopefully this solves our problem. Well, the code I looked up was for the clock spring, so let's go ahead and change it. Okay, we're good. All right, what else now? Now we gotta put the airbag in. So these airbag screws right here, they're not made to come out. They're made to sit right in the spot. That's why it took a hard time for me to pull them out. Once you unscrew it, you pull them out a little bit, it gets caught right here in the clip that holds it in. So when you put it back, it's much easier. All right, we don't need gloves right now. All right, get the airbag. The car is off right now. There's no the battery's not on, so let's go ahead and change that. So you plug it in. So lift up the clip. Hold on. You gotta pull the clip up, place it there, push it on, and then lock down the clip. Same thing applies to the black clip. Lift it up, push down, you're done. Now we go ahead and make sure everything is secure. Put this in there, that's done. I'll get the drive, the T30. Put that, go ahead and put that in. So you gotta push, you gotta give it a little snug. There we go, it's locked in there. Take that out. Let's do the other side as well, like that. Oh, I locked it. Oh shit, I can't, I gotta leave the key in there. Just realized that. Now you put in, push down, off the housing, right in. Okay, now let's lock this in. Okay, get the tool. That's good right there. Not crazy. It's crazy. It's the first. Okay, it's locked in. Now we gotta hook up. Let's go turn the battery on. feedback real quick. That only takes a few seconds. To explode, it explodes on the camera. At least I'm not in the car. Okay. You got power. Oh, the airbag light went off. Oh, that's awesome. Let's start the car up real quick. Alright, all good. I don't even have to use the computer to shut it off. It's awesome. Okay, 30 seconds is up. I just moving the airbag just in case. I don't trust it. Airbag light went away. We're good to go. Let me show you guys a close-up. Okay, that's the close-up. Tire light's still on. I gotta look into that. Probably gonna have to buy some temp sensors and put them in. It's 2006 Toyota Corolla. There it goes, 137,000 miles. Jeez. Okay. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.